We begin by cleansing the face using an appropriate CNC cleanser corresponding to the skin type and apply it with circular movements. The second step is to apply microsilver BG peeling that has an enzymatic effect. Leave it on for approximately 10 minutes and then remove it with a moist compress. Finish off by using the appropriate CNC facial tonic according to the skin type. Using the handpiece with the appropriate diamond attachment and with circular movements, stroke the skin area to be treated. Dead cells are gently removed and immediately sucked away by an inbuilt vacuum system. The active ingredient phase using high-dose hyaluronic acid follows next, whereby the skin is intensively and sustainably provided with moisture. Apply the hydrogel face and neck mask or a mask powder appropriate for the skin type or a collagen tissue mask. And remove it after the given absorption time. Diamant microdermabrasion makes the skin particularly receptive to the active substances that are applied afterwards. Laminar protection shield restores the skin barrier, protects it, and makes the skin surface smooth. Transepidermal water loss is inhibited. Conclude the treatment by applying an appropriate CNC eye and day skincare product according to the skin type, as well as White Secret Anti-Aging Sun Fluid SPF 50.